Okay, we're going to graph y equals 2 to the x. If you remember your exponent laws, we're going to graph first using an xy chart, and then we're going to apply that pattern to graph and vertex form. We're going to pick the values -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2, and plug those in to our function. We're going to plug them in for x. So we have 2 to the -2. If you remember your exponent laws, that means that you actually have 1 over 2 squared, which is 1 over 4. That's what we're going to graph. 2 to the -1, if you remember, your exponent laws is actually 1 over 2 to the first, 2 to the 0. Anything to the 0 is 1. That's still the case. Anything to the 0 is 1. And then 2 to the first is 2, and 2 squared is 4. We are not actually going to graph these fraction ones because it's no fun graphing fractions. Instead, we're going to graph just with these whole number values, and I'm going to show you the pattern. Okay, what you're going to do is begin up one space. We're graphing the point 0, 1 first. It'll always be the case because anything to the 0 is 1, that we start up 1 from our original origin. Okay, and then we're going to say first power of 2 is 2. We're going to go right 1 up 2. First power of 2 is 2, right 1 up 2. Second power of 2 is 4, right 2 up 4. And then when we connect the dots, we have a nice, neat y equals 2 to the x exponential function. Okay, and we did that by using patterns. We went up one space, and then we went first power of 2 is 2, second power of 2 is 4. We can use that again if we want to graph more exponentials. We can use that same pattern. So let's say I wanted to graph y equals 2 to the x minus 2 plus 3. Okay, I would begin by noting the shifting, just like any other parent graph. Okay, we are shifting right 2 up 3 spaces from our original starting vertex, the origin. So right 2 up 3 spaces. Okay, the difference here is that with an exponential, that doesn't actually mark your starting point on your graph. Okay, that's kind of your reference. That value right there is kind of your reference. We're going to build off of that. We're going to build up one space from there. That's our 0 power. And then the first power of 2 is 2. We're going to go right 1 up 2. And the second power of 2 is 4. We're going to go right 2 up 4. And then we can build our exponential from there. Okay, so it's the same shifting, it's just that you're going to begin up one point instead of beginning right at that new vertex. And then we went right 1 up 2, right 2 up 4. And we're done.